Hit the blinds.
What?
Hit the blinds. Hit the blinds. Skidoo it. Hit the blinds. Hit it. Hit the blinds. That's the wrong way. Oh, he's turning around. Oh, look at this angle. 19.
Right here's good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Final resting place.
Yes, go sit here 4 months. Okay.
What's going on, man?
Okay, today.
Dude, there's more coupons.
Wow.
Man, we got a sesh.
Okay, buddy, today what we're going to do, we're going to pull the KA, put the SR in the car.
Pulling, this is day 1 of the SR swap.
Day 1.
Episode 1.
Today, we're pulling the KA.
You have something crunchy in your mustache. It's still there a bit. It's like on your port side.
Right here?
Yeah. On the port. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, it's like dry skin.
Oh. It's looking good though. It's looking, mustache is looking clean, man.
Yeah, it's my head start for November. I've been growing it for about 2 months. As you can see, it's finally starting to come in.
That's pretty disgusting.
Yeah, it's dust. Show me yours. Coming in. You have like one patch of ginger, like right there.
Oh, when it comes in, it'll be fully ginger, but
It's kind of sick. I might transplant like my eyebrow to my top lip.
you should.
I feel like that would be cool.
Going for some surgeries.
Yeah, I'll put like this up here instead.
Get Dr. Pepper to do it.
I think it makes more sense to do it that way, you know?
Yeah.
Like this down here and this up here kind of thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway. Okay, so today we're pulling out the stinky KA.
Okay.
Also scope my fucking... I don't know how I feel about them. I spent $6 on them, so I think I'm gonna leave them on.
Comment below if the skull wheel caps are fire or not.
We were gonna do this at Platform Garage. Uncle Joao was gonna help us. But, I don't know if anyone remembers, last summer, the FC got impounded, and there was a whole array of shit.
Because we went like...
We were going like 100.
100
Okay.
over.
Year and a half goes by, everything caught up. Can't drive the car anymore.
4 months. License
4 months.
suspended.
So it would be too cooked to transport the SR and my car. So we're just gonna do it here. Also because we're gonna paint the engine bay and make everything look nice and clean. So it's probably easier to just do it here. We pulled the SR out of the parts car pretty easily. But it's almost like an advantage having the driveway on a slant.
Yeah, it is so sick. It's like standing on Mount Everest.
Well, you just gotta jack up the front and then it just comes out.
Yeah.
Anyways, let's take one last look at this.
Can you do like a little black and white like memory montage of all the shit times we've had with this fucking kid?
Oh, there's a hair on it.
It's been a long day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Yeah, full swap.
Shed a tear. Shed a tear for us.
No, I hate this thing. Full swap. Radiator to trans. $1,500. Know what I have. Comment below if you want it.
This guy. This whole area here just looks like it has disease.
Yeah, I think the whole engine bay is rusted now.
Are you gonna get rid of that thing?
ABS. Show them that. Show them the brake master saw.
Wow.
New product, new drop coming soon. It's gonna be a big one.
There's gonna be a lot of stuff in this new drop. It's gonna be a biggins.
Oil caps, horn buttons, brake master socks, masks, hoodies, t-shirts, shift knobs, flags, cup holders.
Potentially, we're working on it.
Well, we already have some cup holders.
Oh, I see.
We might have another cup holder. It might not make it to the drop day, so it might just be released after. That's like 10 things already, and that's not even everything. New keychains, 2 new air fresheners,
New vinyls.
new vinyls, mirror visor things,
Guards.
potentially Broadway mirrors. Don't quote us on that. That's like 12 things, man.
Okay.
Well, do you want to just hand him shit up top, or should I go under? Should we jack
You
it up
go
now,
under.
or just pull everything up from the front?
You
first?
go for the land down under. Where women go and men and thunder.
Let's pull the rad and everything up front
I
first.
said, do you speak of my language?
Before we jack it up, let's pull
She
everything
just
up.
smiled and gave me a Vegemite sandwich.
I don't want to jack it up right now. I'm not really feeling that motivated to
Dude.
jack it up.
Let's jack it off and get it over with.
Okay. Okay, starting off, we're gonna pull the rad, and then we're gonna pull the pull all this shit, and then I'll go under there. Engine mounts, trans mount. Yeah, that's my f***ing sick.
Cool and overflow delete.
Yeah, the monster can mod. Actually though, this is for sale, so if anyone wants it, full K swap. S14K used to be auto, so it's probably never skirted. I never did any skids in it, so.
Oh, I guess you didn't, yeah.
Yeah.
I thought you were lying, but
I wish I kind of tried to do a skid, but
you're too scared.
yeah.
Love a good rad filled with solely water.
It's track safe, brah.
It's filled with LaCroix.
I'm a big drifter, bro.
Filled with LaCroix.
You're still on the ball.
You have the hose and connect.
Oh.
We only fill rads, our radiators, with LaCroix. Very nice.
Okay, rod's out, battery's out. Power steering needs to get disconnected. Fuel lines need to get disconnected. ECU needs to get unplugged and pushed through the firewall. Clutch fan's gotta come off. Engine mounts, trans
Fan
mount,
doesn't need to come off.
drive shaft. Both so much more room though. Everything up top's connected, or disconnected, I mean.
Connected.
Yeah, we f***ing re-swapped it.
Everything.
ECU's unplugged, we just gotta fish it through the firewall. I'm gonna crack the exhaust bolts, or at least try.
Alright, mother cuckers.
Update. Everything under the car is disconnected except for the speedo. Wiring harness is disconnected. Engine mounts are really bad, so the whole transmission's like sitting on the ground.
Sitting on the ground. Should I force a chun for the video?
Yeah, do it right now.
Oh, I almost actually kind of threw up there.
It's that time of the year.
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Goodbye, smelly KA.
Strap on! This shit reeks! Smell the strap, dude. Ooh. It's like I sit in some fucking tranny fluid.
Yeah, holy. We got Ben's hoisticle this time. Thank you, Ben.
Even when Ben's not here, he's here.
It's here in spirit.
Yeah. He's our spirit animal.
Let us know in the comments if the audio is any better. We took off the two shaky things on the camera, so now when we shake the camera, it doesn't make any noise, hopefully. So yeah, let us know. I guess I'll find out when I edit this video. When you pull everything out and leave the window down.
We never planned where we were gonna put this.
Yeah.
See, now it's at an angle where it's gonna be to take off. It needs to go like that.
Okay, go up over the hoist. Where are we going to put it? King Julian. Me moi.
If you're going to call me Julian, you better put King in front of it. Oh, I might have to extend the arm a bit, eh?
Very nice.
It's almost like we're profesh.
Wow. No,
Wow. Who just did a drive-by cough? Like just rolled down the window and coughed in our direction.
Now I'm like the steering rack.
Can you jack it up? You need to go deeper. You can push down all the way.
Is it rolling?
Yeah, I'm holding it. Okay, I'm gonna have to jerk it really hard to get it over the driveway.
So something's connected, hang on. Yeah, I think the garage door will just close.
End of a shitty era.
Yes. It's out. Oh,
Like, whose kid do I have to f***ing shoot in the head or something?
look how dusty the engine bay is.
This is the worst engine bay I've ever seen. Comment if you've seen a worse engine bay than this.
It's so bad. I think we're gonna try and use some oven cleaner.
Hey, we saw Jimmy Cokes do that. I dipped my wiener in some mashed potatoes.
Yeah. Yeah, well, we're gonna have a good time trying to figure out where all the wiring goes in. Hopefully Uncle Joel doesn't hate us and he might come out and wire it up for us. We can do everything else, but...
That would be nice.
Yeah, very nice, Uncle Joel. Please, Uncle Joel, you help us. Also, comment below. Let me know how dumb I am. I left the window down. Oh, that's so dumb.
Your Kazakhstan's #1.
No ECU, no battery, no wiring. Should we do it like the
You're a
old-fashioned
dumb
way?
bitch. What?
Should we just pull the door part off and jump the switch?
Or you could just put something over it.
Yeah, but then I don't have to worry about it.
If you do it properly, then
Like
you
it's
don't
gonna
worry.
leak. We have 2 car batteries right there. Next video, well, right now we won't film it. We're just gonna pull the wiring harness out, and then next video we're gonna have to scrub the absolute shit out of this bay because it's disgusting. These are the worst thing I've ever seen in my life. I think the majority of all the gunk is from when we put the KA in here, and we were
No,
just,
it
we
was
were leaking-
it was dirty before.
Yeah, but then
when we pulled
made
the
it,
K out, it was fucking disgusting.
we made it even worse because we leaked so much power steering fluid, and we couldn't power wash it. So we just left it, didn't even wipe it up, just let it sit on the frame rail. Pretty sick. There's some rust in this engine bay. That's gonna get Scotch-Brighted over and just painted over, and we'll hope for the best. We are gonna be replacing these strut tower supports, I guess you'd call them. Adam and I actually started up a little, you know, something.
We're doing a venture.
Yeah.
We're gonna get into parts, both visualizing, conceptualizing, and then manufacturing, designing, and producing parts. First part we have is a strut tower rust repair kit. It's brand new. Like these pieces of metal here that are rusted out on like every S13, we had them reproduced. So if you have a one like Noah, you can drill out the spot welds and then weld in a new one.
Yeah, so they're a little thicker than OEM.
Yeah.
And they're also a little bit wider. So they
They come in a
rust.
bit, well, not wider, but they come in, it's the exact same shape under the fender, and then it's this same shape but bumped out a centimeter. So if you have rust like this,
Yeah, to compensate for any rot that you might have.
yeah. And we're gonna be selling those on the website next drop. They're real nice. They're water jetted steel, the exact same spec of sheet metal as the original ones. So yeah, honestly, a sick product, and we f***ing thought of that.
We're making moves out here.
We
You
thought
guys
about
don't even
it.
know what's coming.
Yeah,
right?
we actually have a lot of ideas for parts. If you have any other parts like OEM parts you think we should try to get reproduced, or anything you think is always broken on S13s you can never find the parts for, or something that'd be sicker, let us know. Maybe we could fucking design it and figure it out. Did you show them the cup holder?
No, check these out. So these are going to be available on the store next drop as well. Look at that. So that was the second one that Adam printed. So Adam, we bought ourselves a 3D printer, and Adam's been going hard on the 3D prints. So the ones we'll actually be selling on the website, they're printed onto a, what is it, like a glass plate, so it's a lot
we
smoother.
have a glass. This was printed on the magnetic bed, which is texturized, and then we bought a glass bed, so the top's a lot smoother. This was actually a shape to design because it's not perfectly square. And yeah, get a can over there, man. Scope the fit.
Mint. Look at that.
Look at that.
Tight
So when
seal.
you're on the tooge, because like there's a, yeah, and they'll come so they're not like removable like this. You just noodle it in. You're on the tooge. Slap your liquor in there.
Monster fits in there.
Does it?
I can confirm. Yeah.
You're heinous. Yeah, so lots of parts coming. If you have any ideas, we're also gonna be look at this junk. Maybe we'll do something about that. I don't know.
Maybe even the thing to the right will do something about that too.
Yeah, maybe on some air Spencers. You know they're called air Spencers.
That's pretty sick.
It's kind of fucked. But yeah, maybe we'll do some of those.
You guys don't even know what's coming, right? Me and Adam are taking over the whole. We're taking over the car scene. Moist Boys taking over
Eat my
cars.
nuts. Yeah.
Moist
Moist
Boys
taking
is
over.
the umbrella, and then you guys are just gonna see a bunch of new companies pop up that are doing sick shit, and you'll be like, oh, who's behind these
Who the
companies?
shit is this?
And then it's gonna be us.
Then it's gonna be us under the. We're gonna be above
Under the umbrella. The Moist Boys umbrella?
Yeah.
The boys.
Yeah.
Underneath.
So anything you guys need, let us know. We'll make it. I just tried to wink, but I don't think I can.
Well, we got the window up.
Been working on this S13.
Working on S13. Put a turbo in it. Turbo engine. Turbo. Tree. One, two, tree.
Tree.
One, two,
Yeah,
three,
we're
four.
putting in a tree cylinder. I can't. Yeah, when's Juicebox pulling up?
Neil.
What's his name?
Neil.
Who's the
Neil.
guy who's like, fuck off?
Barry.
Fuck off. Tree TC with a big turbo. A turbo. Yeah, so pulled out the engine, gonna put a turbo one in.
Neil, message us. We'll come burn shit with you.
The spiders. Spidey cunts.
Burn cunts.
Alright, anyway, yeah, so fucking stay tuned because we're gonna clean this somehow. Where there's a will, there's a way. What's Stan doing? Come on, Stan. Dan Thompson. Stanley.
Sting Graves.
And so stay tuned because somehow we're gonna clean this, and then what are we gonna do? We're gonna put a turbo in it.
We're gonna put turbo in it. We're gonna put the SR in it. Drop it in. And then wire it up. And then intercooler. All this junk's gonna have to come off.
I don't know how these intercoolers are gonna fit in there. They're so big. You're gonna have to cut your head like the middle.
Yeah, it's gonna get circled like this.
No,
I don't know. Fuck headlights.
the only cool ones are the yellow ones, so whatever.
Yeah.
Which I'm pretty sure are these ones.
Mhm.
So
Yeah, I don't know how that's really gonna work, honestly.
it's pretty massive. There's not a lot of space. Fucking S13s. Look, that guy's going Mach 10 in the studio.
Anyway.
So well, you just spat on the ground in the studio. Did you see that?
Look at this car. Small wheels.
I know.
Fucking.
It's like fucking S13s.
Okay, anyways.
Yeah, so comment something about S13s. Like this video, please.
Tag Juicebox in the comments.
Tag Juicebox. Subscribe so you can see more of our I guess you're gonna beep that out, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And stay tuned for more mustache growth. More stash ASMR. And comment what color I should dye my mustache so you can actually see it. Because right now it's white. Like St. Nicholas's mustache. But yeah. Stay tuned for more S13 mods. Maybe some turbos. And yeah, otherwise just have a good day. Check on your friends. And fuck off.